What's up, you guys? So today I'm traveling to Dubai with Carla. She's on the phone right now. We are so excited. So long story short is that Carla and I thought that our trip was tomorrow, Wednesday, but today is Tuesday. So here, today, Tuesday, I had an appointment for my eyelashes, I had an appointment for my tan, and an appointment for my hair. So now my hair is crusty, I'm pale, and I have no lashes. It was a mess, guys. It was a complete mess. But the only reason that I knew that it was today is because I called the company that was taking us, and then they told me, oh, you know what, you're actually flying today afternoon. And I said, wait, I thought it was tomorrow because that's what I saw on the itinerary. But on the itinerary, I was actually looking at the day that I was going to be in Dubai already. So I called Carla as fast as I could. She didn't answer, so then I called Louise, her brother, and I told them, hey, like, you need to wake up Carla. Our flight is literally today, like in a few hours. And he was freaking out. He was like, no way, blah, blah, blah. We both thought that our flight was tomorrow on Wednesday. And now we made it to the airport with literally 20 minutes to spare. It's gonna be all worth it. So now for a 15-hour flight. So we finally made it to Dubai after 15 hours. How are you feeling? Tired?
Like a mess. We didn't sleep good at all.
Oh, this always happens to us. When we go on a trip, our stomach always hurts.
I think it's just like the food and like we don't get enough sleep.
We are now getting breakfast. We're gonna be heading off to the yacht in a little bit, so we're just gonna get a bite. Now we're getting into our Uber on our way to the yacht. So we didn't have an adapter, so I think it's just straighten my hair. So we're just gonna have to work with it. My hair is all like wavy curly, but this, I feel, is the craziest trip I've ever been on. It's, I mean, across the world. It was a 16-hour flight. There's just some people casually ziplining. I want to do that. Would you do that?
Yeah, I would. Expired or not?
So we are now here at Cove Beach. Super cute. We're here at a little cabana. All of us are super hungry. We didn't have much to eat in the morning just because we were all late doing our makeup and we just took too long. But this is what I'm wearing right now. Necklace, earrings, same face. I just touched it up, and then a neon dress. So I've started to get sunburns. I think this is from the yacht. You guys can't really see too much. It's golden hour soon, and
This is like a scenery, the lighting tank.
Carla and I just finished up taking some videos. The girls are also back there taking some videos, some content. But Carla and I got some pretty juicy content, so we're excited. Everyone has pretty much left the beach, and we're about to leave in a little bit to go change for dinner. But The ocean was actually pretty warm, I'm surprised, but we got some really nice video content on there that you guys will soon see on my Instagram. Okay, so we are now out to dinner. We are so tired, but this is my outfit. This is from Windsor. These are my shoes from LUXETOKILL. These are my absolute favorites. They are go-tos, of course, because they're clear. They go with everything, and these are actually very comfy. So we are now entering dinner to Hakkasan, and this is at the Atlantis. It's really pretty and fancy. Dinner for tonight. We got some edamame fried rice, some shrimp. Happy birthday to you. So we're here at the boat. It's a yacht. So it's called the Mega Yacht Brunch. Literally all buildings. Kind of crazy. Looks like we're not going in.
To let you in.
Oh, that guy's coming to let us in. He's running. Oh, these are the pills. Okay, so it's the next day. I didn't really vlog yesterday because we didn't do too many things, but this is what I'm wearing right now, just a little beach cover up. Carla and I are running late as usual, always. We just shot something at the pool. It's really pretty. You guys will see that tomorrow, but we're heading out to another beach club today. So we're now at Blue Marlin at the Gold Tulip. This is more of like a fancier beach club. I'm so excited to go in and see what's going on. And we're about to leave for our second to last dinner. I just curled my hair a little bit, something really quick. I'm very tired, guys. I'm still very jet lagged, so this is my outfit. Very simple, but put it together really quick. Oh, Polly, of course, my LUXETOKILL shoes. Super comfortable. I wore these like every single day because they're super comfy and go with everything. This is where we will be having dinner. This is so pretty. I probably want to take a picture like in front of there, but yeah, it's super fancy here. Okay guys, so it's the next morning and we ordered room service because we got up a little late. So they gave us some bread, pasta, fries, our Pepsis, and this pizza. So we're about to go in. Okay guys, so this is our last day. Today is Sunday and I'm so excited honestly to go back home. I love this trip. It was really fun and all, but you know, you start missing your puppy, you start missing everybody else. But this trip was really fun and I am kind of sad that it is ending because, you know, Dubai is really cool. But we are gonna go ride the camels today and this is my outfit. It's very casual. I didn't want to be too extra to be riding the camels, so I'm just wearing like these nude shorts, this tank top that Maggie actually made me. It's really cool. It's just like backlit, and then I don't think we're coming back here till like 8, 9, 10. It's gonna be really late, so I'll catch up with you guys when we're ready. So this is what the little shops out here look like. So cool, everyone's staring. But probably because we're all so bright right now. Wow, look at how cute is that. This little area here reminds me of like the Bangkok.
Excuse me? Traditional dress. Arabic.
No, thank you.
No, just try. You like it, take photograph and go in the desert. Where are you from?
From California.
California, USA. Very nice. Beautiful. Should I enjoy? I knew it's the exact way.
Thank you. Oh, you're supposed to wrap it like that.
Going to desert, just come in the sand. The face
Put it over.
Oh, it says like the sand doesn't get on it.
Yeah. Carla's getting digged out. Wait, they have crunchy and cheese. Wait, we do have the cheese one. Oh no, those are spicy cheese.
Yeah, very different. Doesn't taste hot.
This is what the Cheetos here look like. Are these the hot ones?
Yeah. Okay, so these are the hot Cheetos and they look more than the hot Cheetos.
They do taste different.
My anxiety is out the room. My goodness. Crazy. This feels like to be drifting. Are we going again? I keep on
He's having a blast.
I know.
Stupid idiots. Bunch of
Oh wow, I didn't know. Yeah.
That's what it's for, and in case it rolls over as well. But
yeah. We are out here in the desert. I never thought I would have been in the desert. Kind of crazy, but as you guys can see, that ride was crazy. Wow. What's happening right now?
We look like adventure, like YOLO girls.
I feel like I can't walk. I wanted to drive, but I can't drive. I already know.
You should try it. It's not that bad. Well, I don't know how it is in these sands.
I'll probably chicken out midway. We're gonna do this. We're out here, guys. About to go in the sand dunes.
Oh no, they're drifting. Okay, you have to go fast.
And we are now gonna go to dinner. So this is like a little cute area next to it. Oh, and they have like little souvenirs. Hello. Oh, yummy. What are these?
how fucking nice
It tastes like a donut.
Yeah. It's like donut.
No, they're like.
It smells like grapes. This is tonight's dinner. Good morning, guys. So it is our last morning here and we are off to the airport in like 30 minutes. This was a really fun trip, so thank you to LUXETOKILL for this trip. It was super fun. I'm just gonna end this vlog here. We're just gonna head over to the airport and not too many exciting things, but thank you guys so much for watching and I will talk to you guys in my next vlog.